In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode on Zoom for both Windows and Mac OS. Whether you're looking for a way to reduce eye strain during late-night calls or simply prefer the sleek look of a darker interface, switching to dark mode can be a game changer. First, let's tackle the desktop setup. Begin by opening the Zoom desktop application on your computer. Make sure you're signed in with your account credentials to access all the relevant settings. Once you're logged in, navigate to the top right corner of the application window. There, you'll find your profile picture. If you haven't added a photo, you'll see your initials instead. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. A drop-down menu will appear, presenting you with several options. From this list, look for and click on Settings. This will open up a new window where you can customize various aspects of your Zoom experience. We'll focus on the General tab, which should be one of the first things you see upon entering the settings. Within the General tab, there's a section labeled either Appearance or Theme, or sometimes referred to as Color Mode. This is where you can find the options for altering your Zoom theme. You'll have a few choices here. If your goal is to enable a consistent dark theme regardless of your system settings, you'll want to choose Dark. This will immediately apply a dark theme across all of Zoom, providing that reduced glare experience you might be aiming for. Alternatively, if you prefer your applications to reflect your computer's overall aesthetic, selecting Use System Settings could be the perfect choice. By choosing this option, Zoom will automatically adapt its appearance based on whether your operating system is set to light or dark mode. This way, if you switch modes on your computer, Zoom will seamlessly follow suit without any further action required on your part. Of course, if you ever want to revert to the standard bright interface, simply opt for Light, and the app will switch back to its usual look. Once you've selected the theme that suits your needs best, you can simply close out of the settings window. There's no need to hit a save button. The new theme is applied immediately across your Zoom app. Whether you're working late into the night or simply want a more sophisticated appearance for your meetings, these simple adjustments ensure that Zoom is tailored perfectly to your preferences. Thank you for tuning in, and here's to a more personalized and comfortable Zoom experience.